This is the unboxing of the Ring video doorbell.
Here's your Ring video doorbell. Here's the tool. Here's your instructions. And then there's your back plate that you will use to screw into your wall or your brick or anything. It comes with the drill bit and comes with the accessory to put on the tool. And it comes with a level that you'd put right here, so you can level it on the brick. Comes with some screws. And this is what you use to charge it. You'll plug it right here. You'll plug it up to the USB and it'll charge. And you have to download the app, the Google Play or the App Store, and you have to hook it up to the Wi-Fi network, and then you follow the in-app, and then you customize the device settings, and you can customize the distance of the way it zooms out and in, and you can customize the motion of it and everything like that. And I think that's about it. Thanks for watching my unboxing video of the Ring doorbell.